Welcome back to Inspiration Restoration. In this episode, we're going to look at the engines and create a path forward. In this episode, we're just going to take a quick look at the engine. So we pulled the valve covers off and we're taking a quick look. This is the starboard engine. As you can see, it doesn't look too bad. What we need to do is open up, pull the injectors out, and empty the cylinders. Cylinders have been pickled. The engine's been pickled since the boat was purchased. Everything on the top side's free and moving. So it just depends on how the bottom side is. This is the port engine. As you can see, the port engine is actually a little bit better than the starboard engine is. Again, looks pretty good. The rack is moving free. Everything looks pretty decent. We'll just have to keep digging into it to find out. Obviously, it all needs cleaned up. We're going to pull it apart, see what it looks like to move forward with it. Also do is we've located another set of engines, so we're going to pick up a spare set of engines just in case if we need to exchange these engines or if we need any parts on it. So in the next episode you'll see that. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining us. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to leave us some comments. Thanks.